Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how to update audio drive in Windows 11. So friend, in this tutorial I'll show you step-by-step process to do that. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we're uploading this type of tutorials every day. So let's get started. First we are going to open Device Manager. So you can use keyboard shortcut, window key and X. So you will get this option and then click on this Device Manager. Or friend, you can directly search here Device Manager like this and simply click on it. So friend, you can see that this is my Device Manager. Now friend, I'm going to select my audio drive. Okay, simply click on this sound, video and game control section. You simply click on it and friend, here you will get your device. Okay, so right now we are going to update that device. Okay, so how we can do that? Simply right click on it and update drive, and here you will get this option, search automatically for drivers. You simply click on it and friend, here you can see that this driver is already installed. Okay, now you can do all the things like this. You can simply update like this and it will automatically resolve the query of that things. Okay, here now I'm going to share with you second method to do that. Okay, so what you will do, simply open settings, then click on settings. And now friend, you can see the left hand side, this is Windows Update section. You simply click on it. And now friend, we are going to click on this advanced option. So click on it. And friend, here you will see this optional update. Okay, so here you will get your audio drive options if that audio drive is not installed in your PC. Okay, so by here you will see that if N drive available, select it and click download and install. So your audio query will automatically solve. Okay, maybe this things is not available, then what you will do, you can directly open Device Manager once again. Here we are going to open Device Manager and then we are going to click on this sound and video. Okay, maybe your audio is not working, then what you will do, simply click on it and here we are going to click on uninstall device. Uninstall device, after that your system restart and Windows will usually reinstall their drivers automatically. Okay, so friend, by this way you can easily solve or install audio drive in Windows 11. And maybe if you have any query or question, you can comment below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.